Hey guys, welcome back to LetCode. Today I'm going to show you a quick demo on the function called WaitFor. Okay, so this is like your explicit wait. Um, if we compare this with the Selenium, it's kind of like explicit wait or the fluent wait, we can say. So WaitFor is a function that's going to wait based on the element conditions like visibility, hidden, attached, and deattached. Okay, so now let's understand the scenario first. So here I have a very simple test script. I'm just navigating to our letcode.in. I'm clicking on the login button, entering my credentials, and clicking on the login button. Sorry, this is login link, and this is login button, and then I'm trying to click out the sign out. Okay, and if I go to my Playwright config file, here we can select the test name wait for .test.ts we have. Okay, I'm going to bring up my terminal and I'm going to say npm test. Okay, and this is going to fail actually. Let's wait and see like why it's going to get failed. So here we got our browser. It's loaded with the letcode.in, and then it's going to click on the login. Credentials are filled, and it should click on the sign out. But what happens here is you can see the toast message, right? So there's a toast message, and because of that particular toast message is there, it is not able to click on the sign out button. So we will get an exception like timeout error. Okay, here it won't say like it is not able to click on the button, rather it will just say like timeout exception. So here you can see like we are getting like what is the error message? Yeah, we got a very big error message actually. Let's go up. Yeah, so here you can see like we got like timeout, and in the next video we'll talk about the timeout more in detail. Okay, so I'm preparing the content. Probably the next video will be that. Okay, now here you can see like waiting for the selector sign out. Sign out is basically my this button, right? So I am waiting for this button to click. But what happens actually, like it's trying to attempt. So we know that Playwright is very smart. It will try to find the element and it will try multiple options. Like here you can see like it is waiting for the element to be visible, enable, and stable. So here it says like enable is visible, stable, visible, enable, and also stable. But it is not able to perform the click action because there is a toast component. Okay, there is a toast component which is intercept pointer event. Like because of the toast, it is not able to click on the under the toast that sign out button. Okay, why this is happening in the sense like if you see here, once I click on sign out and if I just like let me log in once again. Okay, so once I click on the login, let's see, the toast message is getting disappeared after 5 seconds of its own. Okay, but what happening here is like when I try to do the login, and as soon as I log in, the sign out button will be there. After few seconds, like few milliseconds, the toast is going to appear. But at that time, Playwright is trying to click on this particular sign out button, right? So what happens in the sense like, let me show you one more time. See, you have to understand the scenario, then only this will be very helpful for you in your application as well. Okay, now if I just mouse hover on this toast until I take the mouse from the toast, um, the toast will be there for infinite. Okay, like the toast is not going to disappear. Yeah, maybe I can click on this close button, it will disappear, or else if I mouse out from the element, it will disappear. Okay, so there's a fraction of second in which like it's trying to click on the sign out, but within that the toast is getting appeared and toast is not able to disappear. Like this is how the website is configured. It may be different in your scenario, but that is how I have built this website. Okay, so here what we have to do is, of course, one solution is like we have to disappear until the toast is getting disabled, right? So let's go and inspect this toast first of all. So if I go to the source and I'm going to click on sign out, and here I'm going to click on this, I'm going to log in, and then once I got the toast, I'm going to click F8 so the DOM will get paused. Okay, now if I go and inspect this, so here you can see like we have a toast container, but this is like your static, like this overlay container will be always there. What we have to find is basically the message we are getting, this toast info message we are getting, right? So we have to find this particular this one. Okay, latex path is not working because the DOM is paused actually. Okay, so we'll write ourselves. So this is like first of all, this is my ID. From there I have to go to the div, and then I have like toast dash info. Okay, so this is my element. Okay, now let's go and let me, yeah, so latex path is working. Yeah, so here if I say like let's first find the element, right? So I'm going to say like const toast equal to page dot locator, and here we are going to pass our css. Okay, then if I say like toast dot wait for, and here I'm going to say like state should be state in the sense like the element state, and that's going to be like, so we have attached, deattached, hidden and visible. So we want that to be hidden, right? So if you go to the DOM now, once the this guy is not there, you can see like that particular element is there. I mean that toast info, that element is not there. You either go with the hidden or maybe with the d attached as well. Anything should work fine, I believe. Okay, so now here I'm going to add the await, of course. Okay, now let's go and execute this. This time also it's going to fail actually. Let me tell you the reason. Okay, so here you can select again, the toast is getting paused. Like the mouse is basically trying to interact with that sign out button, but in between we have this guy called uh, toaster, and that's why the interaction is not happening. Even though we have like visibility, what happens invisibility, like a hidden state of that particular element, since like I told you, right, it will take like fraction of second. So here it is already in hidden state as of now. So it will just go there and it will try to interact, but it is not able to interact. Okay, so what is the solution is very simple. We have to wait for the element to be visible first. Okay, so here I have to say like toast dot wait for, and then I will say like state, come on, and then I'll say like it should be of visible. So we'll wait until the element becomes visible. Once it is visible, then we'll wait till it's get hidden, then we'll try to click on the sign out. Now this time of course it's going to work. Let's see. So now you can see actually the toast, in the toast, like there is one progress bar is there, right? So basically there is no mouse interaction, that's why like it's disappeared. Then it click on the sign out button. Okay, so I hope you understood the scenario and the coding part as well. So wait for we have to use very like not in most of the scenarios. This website is like that. Maybe if you have some website which belongs to the same toaster kind of thing, this is the solution for you. Okay, so yeah, that's it. If you have faced any issues like this and you have rectified that, or if you have learned something here, do let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one very soon. Tada, bye bye, take care.